delicious cabbage and potato curry, a flavorful homemade dish. Welcome back to Cook with Heart. Today, we're making a simple yet incredibly delicious cabbage and potato curry, a comforting dish that's packed with flavors and perfect for any meal. Stay with me till the end because I'll be sharing some pro tips to make this dish even. Cabbage and potatoes might seem like simple ingredients, but trust me, when cooked the right way, they can create a dish that's rich in flavor and texture. This dish reminds me of my childhood. My grandmother used to make it often, and the aroma would fill the whole house. So today, I'm sharing that same homely recipe with you. First, let's start by boiling the potatoes and cabbage. Add them to a pressure cooker with enough water and cook until they are soft but not mushy. Boiling the cabbage makes it easier to cook later and helps it absorb all the flavors of the spices. A fun fact, did you know that cabbage is packed with antioxidants and is great for digestion? That's why this dish is not only tasty but also really healthy. While our potatoes and cabbage are boiling, let's talk about another interesting thing. Many people think cabbage is a boring vegetable. But did you know that in some cultures, it is used to make stuffed rolls and even spicy fermented dishes like kimchi? But today, we're keeping it simple and delicious. Now, heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once the oil is warm, add a bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, and fennel seeds. Let them sizzle for a few seconds to release their aroma. This is what makes the dish so fragrant and rich in flavor. Next, add finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. Stir them well and let them cook until the onions turn golden brown and the tomatoes become soft. This process is key because well-cooked onions add natural sweetness to the dish, balancing out the spices. Have you ever noticed how onions change flavor as they cook? Raw onions are sharp, but when cooked slowly, they become sweet and caramelized. That's why we take our time in this setup. At this stage, add freshly grated ginger and garlic. The combination of these ingredients brings out a deep, rich taste. Ginger adds warmth, and garlic gives that strong, savory kick that makes the dish even more mouth-watering. It's time to add the spices. Sprinkle some salt, turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder, and a generous amount of vegetable masala. Stir everything well so that the spices coat the onions and tomatoes evenly. Have you ever noticed how turmeric gives a beautiful golden color? It's not just for color, it also has powerful health benefits. In fact, turmeric has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Let the masala cook for a few minutes until the oil starts separating from the mixture. This means the spices are well cooked and the flavors are enhanced. If you rush this step, the curry might taste raw. So be patient and let the flavors develop properly. Now, take out the boiled potatoes and cabbage from the pressure cooker and add them to the pan. Gently mix everything so that the vegetables absorb all the flavors of the spices. Keep stirring and cooking on a medium flame for a few more minutes to add a slight sweetness and balance the flavors. We'll now add some fresh green peas. Peas are great because they add a little pop of texture and natural sweetness to the dish. Finally, for that extra burst of freshness, sprinkle some chopped curry and her leaves on top. Coriander not only adds flavor but also makes the dish look more vibrant. Stir it in, and your flavor-packed cabbage and potato curry is ready to serve. Cooking isn't just about following a recipe, it's about enjoying the process. So if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cook with Heart for more delicious recipes.